Can you legally remove real negative Google reviews from your business? The answer surprises most owners in 2026. You can't delete truthful negative reviews. But you can remove reviews that break Google's policies. That's where professional reputation management comes in. Imagine your dashboard tomorrow. First, understand Google's content policy rules. Reviews with hate speech, fake claims, or conflicts of interest violate guidelines. Those can be disputed and removed legally. Second, document the policy violation clearly. Screenshot the review. Note which specific rule it breaks. Google needs proof to act on your dispute request. Third, file a formal dispute through Google Business Profile. Mark the review as inappropriate. Select the violation type. Most business owners stop here and wonder why nothing happens. Fourth, escalate if Google's automated system rejects your first attempt. Professional agencies like ReputationZilla know how to push disputes through manual review channels. They handle Google Maps reputation issues daily. Fifth, build positive review volume while disputes process. ReputationZilla offers review dispute management plus social media growth services. More authentic positive reviews dilute the impact of any remaining negatives. Now the numbers. Major platforms covered is 3+. Review policy categories is 8. Average DIY dispute success rate is 12%. Here's what it costs. 3+. Compare these two paths. DIY dispute, you submit once, Google auto-rejects, you give up. The fake review stays forever. Your star rating drops. Customers see it first. Versus professional service, ReputationZilla disputes across Google, TripAdvisor, and Yelp. They escalate rejections. They know policy loopholes. Reviews get removed properly. Look at this detail. Warning for 2026, Google tightened review policies but also tightened dispute rules. Generic flags get ignored faster than ever. You need specific policy citations. You need persistence.